37 weeks pregnant now, and I just felt that it was a really important thing for me to do to make sure that my baby's born with immunity to whooping cough, because I know that it can be detrimental to young babies. My advice for other pregnant mothers would be to get your vaccination. I think it's any time from 28 weeks, and it's a really, really important thing to do. The consequences of not getting the vaccination to me were just unbearable if my baby got whooping cough and died. So I suppose that's a consequence of not having it. If your baby did get whooping cough, it would be a serious problem. So talk to your midwife or your obstetrician or your GP, but just go and do it.